So you are telling me that the cuddles between Pearl Tusi and DJ Waras were so wonderful that Pearl had to bring them on a public platform where his wife, children, and family were. Nenzani lapha ebusuku manilele emahhotela. Ngiyanamukela bomhlobo yami, bomntu abakadade, bomntu abakagogo, bomntu abaka-anti, bomntu abakasisi. I am Sims, and it's at the right Sims on Instagram. So please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. If you want more traffic on your platforms, Msware Kamukhala. The number is on your screen down below. Didi. This video is brought to you by Elegant Affairs, where they tailor your events into excellent celebrations. Okay, they give you what you want. They are based in Johannesburg, Sana. They currently have a Christmas special. Harry, Christmas is around the corner. Okay, they will give you a nice Christmas setup, and if you are within 30 kilometers of their radius, they will also include their own transport. Let's put that little pizzazz in our celebrations, guys. I'll be working with them soon so that nizobona ukuthi izinto zenu zibanjani mobaqasha. Yeah. So yeah, guys, plug yourself. Have a great time with your family while putting that excellent touch to your affair. Hey, hi. It is so very unfortunate that everything that happened to DJ Waras will forever be overshadowed by Pearl Tusi's speech at his memorial. Tell me why. Everyone was at DJ Waras's memorial after his tragic and sad passing, where his life was horrifically ended by a hit. Okay, it was a hit, guys. It was a hit, and the police have promised us an arrest. You remember when Peggy Kelly said people will be arrested before Christmas those years ago? Now they are telling us that people will be arrested by today. Let's wait and see, because apparently they've got footage. They know who they are dealing with. It is a known suspect to them, and they are just finalizing. But an arrest will be made soon. DJ Wara sadly lost his life as he was exiting a building because he now had a company where they were cleaning up hijacked buildings. And you know, in situations like that, they deal with very shady characters. So there was a gathering in his honor, a remembrance of his name and legacy, right? Friends, family spoke, and Pearl Tusi was also given an opportunity to say a few words. Yo, Abopel Bayatlaka, guys. Guys, there is something called self-awareness. Like, you can't lack self-awareness and emotional intelligence at the same time. Pearl has worked with Uwaras for the longest time, okay? She had so many memories she could speak from, a story she could highlight. Why did she have to tell us that Uwaras was so scared of missing his flight that he asked to share a bed with Pearl and nothing happened? He just wanted a cuddle because he didn't want to miss his flight in the morning, and they put pillows in between them.
We went to a Casa Light gig that we were doing in Plettenberg Bay, and Waris was so afraid of missing his flight in the morning, so he insisted that we stay in the same room so that he wouldn't miss his flight. And I was like, friend, no. Then he was like, ew, man, don't think like that. You're my son. Then I was just like, Waris, that's weird. Then he was like, don't worry, friend. We're going to put the pillows. We're going to do everything. And I was just like, Waris, he's like, no, man, I just need a cuddle. I just need a cuddle. And the thing is, I was worried about what people would think of me because they're going to think, but no, that's not what's happening. We're literally brother and sister, and we did sleep and cuddle, and the pillows were there. And we cuddled, and he said, thank you, my friend, I really appreciate this. I got with them. And I woke him up for sure in the morning and he didn't miss his flight. And those are just one of the many things that made Wara special. He didn't care what people thought. He didn't care, who would dislike him, who would like him because of his opinion.
His wife is there. The children are there. The family is there. We, as the public, are watching live on television. You know? Like Pearl, OC. Why? Guys, and it's not that I'm always like ready to villainize Pearl. Pearl does an excellent job of self sabotaging. I promise you, every time Pearl does something, there's bound to be mouths opening. And I've come to think, I used to think, "Hold on, maybe like we are being mean, or yes, sometimes people really, really, really do take it too far. People really do take it too far when it comes to Pearl Tusi and Kelly Kumalo. But sometimes you really bait people because I was sitting there and I was like, she's really like, guys, she's really like not aware of what she's doing. Like in her mind, she's innocently telling us a story. Like, Upela akaboni next wrong. That's my worrying, Upela. Akaboni next wrong. She even went as far as releasing a tweet and saying, Hore, you guys are so mean, you guys are so evil, and your words hurt. And she was just talking about a friend, okay? And she doesn't understand why you guys had to take it that far. Pearl, my sister, you took it that far. Like you literally took it that far. Why? I need Guys, yes, you can conquer so much in life once you are self aware and once you are aware of your surroundings. Like, there are literally things that you cannot say, and there are literally things that you must keep inside. Like, magunesifo. Magunesifo. Like, you humble yourself. Whereas Toba, yo, like now there's a wife that's going to be now thinking about your flashbacks. And now that we've got that information, we are allowed to make up scenarios in our head. Now we'll be like, was it really just cuddles? Really, Pearl? Never. And my thing is, her daughter is like standing right there next to her. Or guys, Ngirongo agreement. Please tell me if Ngirongo agreement. Like I just think Pearl sometimes she's not aware. In her mind, she's innocently doing something, saying something. Ah, as bony. This is why it's important to have strict friends. Abantu abazokuhlisa. Very important when you lack self-awareness to have strict people in your surroundings. Bazosheshe bakukhuze. Kuthi hayibo, uyayibaxa-ke manje. Yabona manje, uyagamanxa. Like, hayibo, dade, oh, you know, dinewar. I'm worried. And yeah, guys, like let's talk about it in the comment section down below. Like there is a time and place for such things. Or even wrong. Or even I understand. But I feel like when it comes to certain things, there literally is a time and place.